Hey there, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Smartsheet. This is a really cool tool that I've been using for a while now, and I think it's definitely worth checking out. But before I get into the specifics of Smartsheet, I want to start with a question. Is Smartsheet free or paid? This is a question that I get asked a lot, and I think it's a really important one to answer. Because if you're looking for a free tool, you might want to consider something else. So here's the answer. Smartsheet is not free. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the software before you decide to purchase it. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what Smartsheet is and how it can be used. What is Smartsheet? Smartsheet is a cloud-based collaboration platform that helps you manage your work. It's a really versatile tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, such as project management, task management, team collaboration, document management, and much more. Smartsheet is really easy to use, and it has a lot of features that make it a powerful tool for managing your work. How can you use Smartsheet? There are a number of ways that you can use Smartsheet. Here are a few examples. Create a project plan, track your tasks, collaborate with your team, manage your documents, automate your workflows, and much more. Smartsheet is a great tool for businesses of all sizes. It's also a great tool for individuals who want to be more productive. Smartsheet pricing. As I mentioned earlier, Smartsheet is not free. However, there are a number of different pricing plans available. The price of your plan will depend on the number of users in your organization and the features that you need. Here are the different pricing plans for Smartsheet. Professional, $14 per user per month. Enterprise, $25 per user per month. Premium, $34 per user per month. In addition to the monthly subscription fee, there is also a one-time setup fee of $50. Smartsheet free trial. If you're not sure whether or not Smartsheet is right for you, you can try it out for free for 30 days. To sign up for a free trial, simply go to the Smartsheet website and click on the Start Your Free Trial button. Once you've signed up for a free trial, you'll have access to all of the features of Smartsheet for 30 days. Smartsheet alternatives. If you're looking for a free alternative to Smartsheet, there are a few options available. However, I think Smartsheet is the best overall option for most people. Here are a few free alternatives to Smartsheet. Trello, Asana, Wrike, Monday.com. So, is Smartsheet free or paid? The answer is paid. However, there is a free trial that you can use to test out the software before you decide to purchase it. Smartsheet is a great tool for managing your work. It's easy to use, and it has a lot of features that make it a powerful tool. If you're looking for a way to be more productive, I highly recommend checking out Smartsheet. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.